This is Joanna Conde again with AI for Seniors. And today I'm going to tell you a story that happened just a couple of days ago with my friend Susan. Susan and I were at the rec center, and Susan said to me, I'm having such a tough time. I spent a half an hour over my lunchtime because she works at the rec center trying to find a sunscreen or a sunblock with zinc. So my doctor told me that I had to have it because my skin is sensitive. I like to hike and I'm going to ruin it if I go out in the sun without something on. And so that's what he recommended. And I've looked through Google. I can't find anything. So I said to her, do you have chat on your phone? She said, no. I said, well, I do. And let's see what chat has to say. So what I did was I pulled up chat on my phone and I said, I put a question into chat asking it about sunscreens and sunblocks and with zinc and the prices, etc. And a whole list appeared in about 30 seconds. And Susan said, oh, wow, I can't believe it. I spent so much time there. And I said, yeah, let's look at it. So she was really thrilled. She could ask other questions. She could get a comparison. And so today I'm going to show you how you could do that. So without further ado, I'm going to share my screen. Now, I already have in here the question. Can you find sunblocks and sunscreens from me that contain zinc and would be good for sensitive skin? I would like to know the typical price and where they could be purchased. Pretty easy question. You could dictate that in if you wanted to, and you could just press the up button. It will search the web. And here it takes a minute or two because it's got lots of things. And here it is. And here it says, it's a smart move. Zinc oxide is a mineral that provides broad spectrum UV protection and is less likely to irritate sensitive skin compared to chemical sunscreens. You could also put in if you had oily skin or if you had, dry skin or whatever, and it would give you answers for that. So here it gives you a list and it has the price. And you can ask for comparisons and where you can get them. How I've usually put in any more, just in case something was missed. And then it keeps on searching and searching and see if we had, okay. And now it tells you where to buy it. And after we get through this list, I'm going to ask it another question, which is, can you make a comparison for me? It also gives you advice. Look at the SPF rating, the water resistance, additional skin benefits, etc. Keep asking, can you do a comparison for me? Please, whoops, I have to spell things correctly. Please do a comparison for me. I use the dictation, but my voice is so scratchy, sometimes I think it doesn't hear me correctly. I'm used to typing. And now you have it. And you can find out where to buy it. So here you have a whole lot of information, but the point is you can look up simple things to make your life easier by using ChatGPT. And it takes minutes, not 30 minutes, but 1 or 2 minutes. So I'm going to stop my share. And so I'm back. And that's AI for Seniors today, talking about sunscreens, but showing you how you can do a basic search for just everyday things. And it's so simple and it's so fast and it gives you so much information. So if you like this video, please follow us. Please put a thumbs up and we hope to see you next time. And again, thank you again for watching.